This is basically the same owners, just different brothers. Watse waarde kan ek kies? Ons kan kyk vir R1000. Microwave. Ek wil net 'n vet kans vat hierso. Ek sien jy het baie telescopes en dan die pellet gun. And I just made my second deal. Not long after that, I got another deal again. Okay, so pellet gun goes to piece. What's a piece is it?
i5, third generation, HD 4000 graphics card and have the extra graphics card inside that side.
So yeah, there's a ice. Yeah, you heard that. Let's see what we can get from here. Let's go with this. Graphics card not working, but at least I got a brother that knows everything that he's doing. Follow to see part 3 on this PC.